In this series of videos, I'm going to show you step by step how to crochet all the different stitch patterns used in the Tiana Sampler pattern. Follow the links in the video description to get the free pattern page, including charts, and also to get all of the other links to all of the videos for this project. Let's get started. For the fifth stripe in stitch pattern E, row 1 begins with a chain 1. Turn your work and work a single crochet in the first double crochet. Chain 5, skip the next 3 stitches and single crochet in the next stitch. You want to repeat chain 5, skip 3 stitches and single crochet in the next stitch all the way across. This is what your work should look like at the end of row 1. Row 2 begins with a chain 5, which counts as a double crochet, chain 2, turn your work, and single crochet in the first chain 5 space. 7 double crochets in the next chain 5 space. Single crochet in the next chain 5 space, chain 5, single crochet in the next chain 5 space, and 7 double crochets in the next chain 5 space. You want to repeat this all the way across. On the last repeat, single crochet in the last chain 5 space, chain 2, and double crochet in the last single crochet. And this is what your work should look like at the end of row 2. Row 3 begins with a chain 1, turn your work, single crochet in the first double crochet. Then in the next double crochet, we're going to work 1 double crochet, chain 1. We'll do that 6 times. And double crochet in the next double crochet. Then in the next chain 5 space, work a single crochet. You want to repeat this all the way across. And this is what your work should look like at the end of row 3. Row 4 begins with a chain 8. It counts as a double crochet, chain 5. Turn your work. Skip 1 chain 1 space and single crochet in the next chain 1 space. Chain 5. Skip 2 chain 1 spaces and single crochet in the next chain 1 space. Chain 5. Skip 1 chain 1 space and double crochet in the next single crochet. You want to repeat chain 5 single, chain 5 single, chain 5 double all the way across. This is what your work should look like at the end of row 4. For rows 5 through 7, you want to repeat rows 2 through 4 once more. Then for rows 8 and 9, you want to repeat rows 2 and 3 once more. This is what your work should look like at the end of row 9, and this also completes the fifth stripe in stitch pattern E. Next, I'll show you the edging, which works for the front, back, sleeves, and godets, and it always starts at the end of row 9 of the 5th stripe in stitch pattern E. It's one row, starts with a chain 1, turn your work, single crochet in the same stitch, and then in each of the next 6 chain 1 spaces, work slip stitch, chain 3, double crochet, chain 3, slip stitch. Then single crochet in the next single crochet. And you want to repeat this all the way across. This is what your work should look like at the end of row 1 of the edging, and this also completes the edging. You can fasten off at the end of this row. Watch all the videos in this series to make all 5 of the stitch patterns from this sampler stitch pattern that's in the free pattern Tiana Crochet Top. You can find the link in the video description. And keep in mind that these sampler stitch patterns combined together would also make a beautiful scarf or shawl or afghan. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to follow the link in the video description to get the free pattern page with charts, and also to get links for all the other videos in this series.